Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys what the Unity Park Enugu looks like, and also I'll be showing you guys all of its features. So guys, make sure you stay to the end of this video and make sure you enjoy this video. So guys, let's go. So guys, welcome to Unity Park Enugu. So if you are wondering where this place is located, it's located at Okpara Square Road at Independence Layout, Enugu. So you are currently looking at the lion statue. This is more like the most attractive thing about this place because nobody comes here without talking about it. So actually guys, inside this statue you will find some rooms or offices inside. It's such a huge structure, I must say, and there are doors that serve as entrance to the rooms inside this statue. So those are the doors that serve as entrance to the rooms inside the statue. So you can't really have access to them because they are always locked. Looking at the tail of the lion, you can see that it's a very huge tail. I must say, today is a Saturday actually, and you have a lot of people here. Some people came for excursion. So over here are two other doors that also serve as entrance for you to access the inside of the lion statue. Funny enough, a lot of activities can be done. You can choose to hang out with your friends here. You can choose to come here for your practice. You are a dancer, you're into dancing and some other activities that require a space for you to practice. You can actually come here to practice because I saw some people practicing how to dance. So I even saw some people with stuff from places like ShopRite, so you can go there to get things, then come here to hang out, eat, have fun with your friends, chat and every other thing. So it's actually a nice place to catch fun. So over here is a small lake or pond. The lake is actually looking a bit nice today because the last time I came here, which was like a few weeks ago, it was not looking nice at all. The water was kind of dirty, though now the water is not so clean, but at least it was better than the last time I came. So we have a mini lake here. So over there are two tires. I think I saw a canoe. Yes, there's a canoe, but I can't, it's like it's not here, but there's a canoe, like some mini canoe. And you have these two structure too. And over there, I don't know if you can see it, there's more like some a building which have like a shade that you can relax under and do whatever you want to do with your friends. So the area is actually a nice area, and let me tell you guys, if you are planning on doing your pre-wedding photo shoot, let me tell you, this place is really a nice place. Like, it's more like a perfect place for it because I did my hair. Yes, I did my hair and it came out really nice. So for those of you residing in Enugu and you are looking for somewhere to take your pre-wedding piece, here is actually a nice place. I did my hair and I was really happy with the outcome. So guys, before I forget to mention, over here they have solar panel that provides lights here at night. Like when you come here at night, it's very fine, but I don't think they allow people to enter at night. But I've drive through here at night and I saw the beauty of the whole place. Like, I don't really have a video or a piece I can show you guys, but it's really good. It looks really good at night. So guys, another amazing thing about this place is that admission into this place is actually free. Like, you pay no entrance fee, and it's open from Monday to Sunday, and I think they have a time frame, something like it's 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yeah, so you can come any time of the day to relax, to do whatever you want to do. It's actually free, you pay no dime. So another thing about this place is that you find a lot of palm trees in this place. So you know, palm trees serve as canopy that protect you from the sun. So in this place, there are still other smaller statues that were built to beautify this place. You get to see one, and there's still another one that is used in beautifying this place. So guys, here is the children play area. Like this part, this segment or this part of it was made for kids. So if you have kids, you are looking for something nice to have fun with your kids, for your kids to catch some fun and hang out. So yeah, it's really a nice place. They have lots of things they can play with and catch fun with. Over there is another shade where you can relax. So here is a closer look of what the children play area looks like. So over here is the statue of an elephant with a football, and you can see a lot of people here for excursion also. So here is a closer look at the statue. So that building over there is a restroom. You have a section for me and you have another section for female. So guys, we'll be showing you what the Unity Park Enugu looks like from the outside. So guys, at this junction, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section or what you think about the Unity Park. Do you think it's overrated? Do you think they need to work on some certain aspect concerning the Unity Park? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.